guys, welcome to Jam Down Kitchen. So here we're gonna have a lot of cooking, you know what I'm saying? It's a kitchen, it's Jam Down Kitchen. So you're here, we're gonna cool down, we're gonna jam, we're gonna have fun in the kitchen. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So today guys, we're doing some baked chicken thighs my way, you understand? So here I have chicken thighs. They have been washed with lemon juice and vinegar, and now I have add seasoning onto there, which my seasoning I'm gonna put them in the description box below, but let me give you a run through. I have grated ginger and garlic, I have scotch bonnet pepper on here, I have paprika, black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, and guys, you know, I have some of my, you know, secret seasoning there. If you want to know, DM me and let me tell you what it is. So I have onion powder, garlic powder in here, guys, and nothing more to it like that. No salt. I remember all of these carry them one salt, and everything just tastes nice together. So here we have it. I will just like a massage it in together. I wouldn't want a taste bad and a flavorless food. All right, so right here we just will rub it in together like so. I want it, I want it well seasoned. Look at that. Look at that. Yes guys, I have removed the skin. We are not a fan of chicken skin, you know, so I have a way how I cook these. Alright guys, so this is what I'm doing. I'm massaging in the seasonings here. You have to rub it in to make sure everything gets the that little flavor. Alright. So guys, we're just going to massage this a little bit more, and I'm going to show you how it looks. So guys, here is the seasoned meat. It is well seasoned. I'm going to put it away in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours, and then I'm going to show you how I prepare it. Hey guys, so it's time to cook this chicken, and remember the chicken we have pre-seasoned. So now guys, we're going to put them face down like so. Yeah, I'm using a foil pan. You can use anything you want to use. Alright, make it your own. Remember, this is just my version. Okay, everybody do them things different, and mind shop, everybody want to taste good, just do different. You understand? So this is how I am doing it. Easy. And once I'm finished putting them in the pot, in the foil pan, I am going to cover it with 2 layers of foil paper and put it in the oven at 400 degrees and leave that to bake. And then after 1 hour, I'm going to turn them, take off the foil, and show you how it looks. So now guys, I am putting it in the oven, and it's preheated, and here it is foiled wrapped twice. It is hot. Be careful when you're doing this. So I'm going to put this in there guys, and as I said, 1 hour covered, and then I'm going to take it off and let it cook without the foil paper for about another 20 minutes and show you how it looks. Alright, this is the chicken after 1 hour. Sorry I didn't show you, you know me and Tete, but guys, I've just added my barbecue sauce to it, so now I'm gonna flip them. Okay, don't mind the color. Remember, the barbecue sauce give it the color. Alright, the barbecue sauce gives it its color. So I'm just gonna keep flipping these, baste it. I've turned up my oven to 405 degrees. Alright guys, so that it's falling off the bone there already. I'm just gonna put another layer of barbecue sauce on these guys, and I'm gonna leave it for another 20 minutes. 20 minutes, you know, 20 minutes. I'm gonna put my barbecue sauce that I use, and I add additives to it, and I'm going to tell you what I use, and I'm going to finish basting these off, leave it uncovered for 20 more minutes, and then show you the finished product. So guys, here is the finishing product. I have basted a second time on both sides, so I'm going to plate this and let you see how it looks. Listen, I'm going to say yummy. It's falling off the bone. It's delicious guys. Alright, I'm going to place that and let you see. Hi guys, look at my finishing product. Look at that rice and peas, well shelly. Guys, look at this juicy piece of thigh. You can't tell me say this not nice, and me know it nice because I'm a top recipe. Guys, and here is a coleslaw on the side. You can't beat that. It just needs some fresh fruit juice and you're good to go. Alright guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Remember to tell a friend and another friend. Alright,
Send in your comments, and remember, if you cook like a yardie, you eat like a Jamaican. Out.